Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of stylish and practical umbrellas for girls that are perfect for school. Whether it's rainy days or just adding a dash of fun to their school gear, these umbrellas have it all. Today, we're highlighting the best umbrellas for girls for school available in the market right now. These umbrellas are not only designed with vibrant colors and patterns that kids love, but they're also packed with features that make them a must-have for any young student. Let's talk features. First up, many of these umbrellas come with an automatic open and close mechanism. This makes it incredibly convenient for those hectic mornings when you need to juggle backpacks, books, and the umbrella. Plus, it's perfect for kids who might struggle with manual umbrellas. Just a simple push of a button and they're ready to go. Next, safety is always a priority, especially during darker mornings or rainy evenings. That's why these umbrellas feature 360 degrees reflective strips, ensuring high visibility to keep your child safe. Now, let's talk durability. Each umbrella is crafted with robust materials designed to withstand daily wear and tear. From playful designs to sturdy frames, these umbrellas are built to last the school year and beyond. Comfort and ease of use are crucial, especially for young children. These umbrellas feature lightweight designs and kid-friendly handles, making them easy to carry and maneuver. And let's not forget style. With a wide range of colors and patterns available, there's something to suit every child's unique personality. Whether they prefer bright and bold or subtle and chic, these umbrellas offer plenty of options. Practicality is key, especially for parents. These umbrellas fold compactly, making them easy to store in backpacks or lockers without taking up much space. Plus, they're a breeze to clean, ensuring they always look their best. So there you have it, the best umbrellas for girls for school, designed with functionality, safety, and style in mind. If you're looking to brighten up those rainy school days, these umbrellas are a perfect choice. Be sure to check the description below for links to these fantastic products. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on products that matter to you. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.